Welcome guys, are you thinking on how to make Nigerian egg roll? So let's show you how to make your Nigerian egg roll.
Hi guys, today we are going to make a simple Nigerian egg roll. As you can see, these are all the ingredients. Here is my egg, then also here is my flour, 2 cups of flour, then here is my spices. You can add, if you like, you can use nutmeg or paprika. So me, I like to use this. I use curry powder and coriander spices. Then here we have sugar and 1.5 tablespoon of sugar and also half tablespoon of salt. So let's get started. So here in a bowl I add a tablespoon of yeast, 1.5 tablespoon of sugar and also half tablespoon of salt. So let's get started. You add your water, lukewarm water, you add your lukewarm water and stir. Don't let the yeast, don't add too much yeast because we are not keeping it, we are not leaving it rise. We are not leaving it rise, we are using it immediately after we are using it immediately. So take note of this. So after you stir and mix it all together. Then we bring our two cups of flour, which I measured earlier. So then we add our mix, yeast and sugar and salt together. So you add it all together. Add it and stir. Then we add our ingredients also. Transfer it into your chopping board. As you can see, here is our chopping board. So transfer it here to your chopping board and knead it again. So after spreading the flour, after spreading it like this, then you use this. I use this cover to get my shape. So then you press it very well. If you want the shape to come out in full cycle, then you must press it very well so that it can bring the shape. So after do you see my shape? Then you do it again. After doing it again, do you see my shape? So that is how you will continue to and you put it like this. Put it like this. Do it gently so that it won't give you problem. Then you shape it like this. Do you see? So after shaping it, then you need the other one. You put in the other one. So that is how you do it, one after the other till you finish putting in your egg and roll it. You finish rolling your egg into the dough. So that is how you will continue to do it. You continue to do it like this till you roll it till it's well rolled. Roll the egg into the dough and knead it gently so that everything will, so that it will turn out into the shape. Continue to do like this one after the other until everything becomes smooth, up till its body becomes so smooth and well rolled. So hope you see how I roll my egg. So that is how you continue to do it one after the other. So here is our oil that have been hot. Then you place your egg roll gently and deep fry it. Make sure you deep fry it because it doesn't want too much of fire on it, so you deep fry it gently. Here is a simple Nigerian egg roll, as you can see.